Kafoodle Essentials allows you to quickly and easily add your recipe and menu information into a digital system. From here, you can seamlessly produce compliant food labels or create digital menus to share with your customers. Simply type in your recipe name, add it to a pre-created menu, list out your ingredients and choose which other relevant data you want to add. Checkbox included allergens or add an M for may contain and use the sliders to add further data you might want to appear on your labels or digital menus. Choose from nutrition information, tags, selling price or recipe description. To print a label directly from the software, simply select the recipes you want to take into the labeling screen and click the labeling icon. In labeling, you can choose from many compliant templates to match your requirements. To access your digital menus, simply navigate to the site section and use the QR code or URL link to take you there. In your digital menu, you can show your customers tags, allergen data, full nutrition, and even a full ingredients list. Customers can review this data and choose to filter it for themselves by their own preferences. Kafoodle Essentials is the quick and simple way to start labeling your food and communicating with your customers.